Dear students, welcome to our today's class. The practice of English alphabet and sounds of A to Z is already over. The link to these can be found in the description box. Children, let us repeat the English alphabets before we begin to practice the next thing in English. That's how it is in the face of these learning activities. See here children, I have given a very simple learning activity. This should be done in this way. Match with small alphabet. See here, it is a capital A. Here you should attach this capital A to small a in this way. Let us add the next letter in the same way. It is D. This is capital D. So, where is small d? Search for the letter to this side. Yes, here it is. Now you should be attached the capital D to the small d by making a line between them. All subsequent letters must be arranged in a similar manner. E, E, H, H, L, L, N, N, Q, Q, R, R. Now let's see what our next activity is. See here children, what it is? It is an apple. When you say apple here, which is the first character to come there? It is A. You have to circle A in the letters given here. There are two A's. Here capital A and small a. You must circle both A. This is because the spelling of the letter A is same, even if the writing is different. A, A. See the next picture children. It is a fan. Its first letter is F. You have to circle F here. It is capital F and small f. Next picture is ink pot. Here you should circle capital I first and then after it circle small I. In this way children. I. Our next picture is mango. Here you have to circle capital M first and then after it circle small m children. M, M. And our last picture is a tree. Here when we say tree, which letter comes first? Tell me children. Yes, it is T. The letter T comes first in the spelling. So what should we do now children? We should circle both T here. Capital T and small t. 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 Children, in our today's class, let us see what our last activity is. Here you have to write the character left blank. Only capital letters should be written here. Children, you should write as we have shown here. See here, it's A. There is a blank space beside it. So, what should we write there? Which letter comes after A? Tell children. It is B. Yes, after alphabet A, B comes next to it. A, B. C is here and write D because D also not written. You should write D in the blank space. Similarly, in this way, you should fill all the blank spaces, children. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Children, I hope you will do well all the activities which I taught in today's class. Thank you.